The Vienna lager I brewed on that Learn to Homebrew Day live stream I did a few weeks ago is now finished. If you'd like to see more about it, stick around. Hello and welcome back. So the Vienna lager is now finished. It's been finished, well, for a good week or more now, or longer. It's been carbonating in the keg off camera here, clarifying a little bit. That brew day live stream I did, that Learn to Homebrew Day live stream I did a few weeks ago now or more, that took 5 hours to get through. We had a few issues along in that brew day, if you recall. I was distracted with filming and answering questions and whatever, right? And we missed a few of our numbers. What turned out to be, I can't remember what the as designed OG was, but it came out lighter. Now, I've already had this beer. I've been drinking it for a week now already. It doesn't taste thin, but I have noticed that the hop balance is a little out of whack. Let's see, it's a little hoppier than I designed it to be. I wanted to model this more along the lines of a Sam Adams style Vienna lager, although it's using different hops and things. But because of the lighter or the lower gravity that we got, the hops comes out a little bit more. So it tastes more like a pale ale more than like a lager. But hey, you know, it's good. I like pale ales. Oh, but it's starting to clear up pretty well for a lager. I gelatin fined it like I have been doing recently for my other lagers that I've been pressure fermenting. This was pressure fermented again. If you saw the end of that live stream video, it was split up between the Spike Flex Plus and the new Firmzilla, which I'll go over in a different video. But I pressure fermented those at about 15 psi for a good 2 weeks. I just let it sit. Then I went ahead and carbonated it the rest of the way in the kegs and chilled it down for another week with some gelatin fining mixed in. So it's clearing okay. And it tastes great. This has been a hit at parties I've recently had. Thanksgiving was one where we drank this a bit. Chad was here, didn't get any video. Unfortunately, I was hosting 18 people for the day and it was kind of busy, so I didn't get any clips in. But turned out well. I'm proud of this one. I think if I did this again, I'd obviously pay more attention to how much water I added during the sparge, I think it was, to get my target gravity, because although good, it could be better if I brewed it exactly as I had designed it to be brewed. I had done this recipe already about a year or two or more ago, called Vienna Lager video or something like that. But so that was done on the grain father, I think, in a 5-gallon batch. This was, of course, brewed on my DIY 10-gallon system with my coolers and things, right? And I was trying to scale it up. Well, again, I missed my numbers with the gravities. Otherwise, this would have been an outstanding beer. It's a good beer, only because I missed my numbers. If I would have hit my numbers, this would have been great. But I'm not complaining. I've had 10 gallons of this now. I'm going to drink it all and share it with everybody. So, in fact, we're having a party here in about a week for a Christmas progressive party. And I'm hoping to get people to drink this so I can make room for my next beer project, which I can't discuss right now. So, everybody, thanks for looking in one more time, checking out the progress. The recipe, I'll just recopy it down below in this video. I got it in the Brew Day stream too, but I'll put it in this video as well, just so you can get to it. And successful beer. So thanks for watching that live stream a while back, and thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.